Hey there, it's Krista with WTI. When I found this cute nest, Corso Fiberstone planter, I knew that I had found the perfect modern complement to bring a little touch of nature into my home space. The sleek, rounded design and smooth texture of this planter give it a very high-end, sophisticated look. The black finish coordinates so well with the other textiles in my home to keep that modern organic appeal. I've currently paired it with a 6-foot faux olive tree. This combination is stunning and allows both the tree and planter to shine. Despite the substantial size and appearance of this planter, it is incredibly lightweight. The Fiberstone material is super durable, weatherproof, and even resistant to cracking, warping, or fading if it's out in the hot sun. Right now, of course, it's hosting a faux plant, but it's also equipped to have soil and live plants. It has a drainage hole and a rubber plug to help maintain the optimal watering conditions. So if you're looking for a modern planter that will both beautify your home space and make the plants that you put into it look more beautiful, well, then you need this cute nest Corso Fiberstone planter. And that's my point of view.